Assalamu alaikum friend. Tomorrow we will discuss about the basic structure of HTML and introduction to HTML and why HTML is necessary for building a website and how we can code the HTML and which ID is the best and which text editor is the best for writing professionally HTML. So I go into the folder. If you watch the previous tutorial of this course, so you know about the folder. So link in description of previous tutorial. I will go into my file manager and I created the folder in the local disk F of web designing course, I think. Yeah, this. So we can make this simply this file, and I again make the file. I again explain about previous class shortly, and today's topic is what is the tag and what is the attribute of the tag, how we can write the attribute of tag and how we can write the tags, and we will discuss the headings tag in the HTML. So my visual code is going to be open. Make sure you watch the previous video, because in the previous video I tell about how to download and install VS Code and the important extensions of VS Code. Okay, now from here I create a new file of second tutorial .html. HTML is extension is very necessary to build your page, because without extension you cannot see your page on the browser. You can see in the text format. Okay, press the enter for creating this. Okay, and I press shift and one or mark of explanation and mark of explanation. So it show me the emit abbreviation. Emit is the like a software, like an application which recommends you the tag in the HTML, and it is built up in the Visual Code. So Visual Code, I recommend Visual Code. So if I click on it, it gives me a basic structures of HTML. This is the basic structure of HTML. This is doc type, means the document type of this file is HTML. Okay, meta is basically information about your page, description of your page, width of your page, and the information that you give the reader about your page. So I erase the meta is not necessary in this tutorial. After that there is HTML tag. HTML is a very important tag, because without HTML tag you cannot write any HTML tag or anything in the HTML. So you can see here this is HTML, and this is opening HTML tag, and this is closing HTML tag. How you can say this is closing HTML tag? Because of this there is the forward slash. Okay, means in the closing tag forward slash is used for close the tag. You can see here this is open HTML, close HTML. I open the head, I close the head. In the head tag I give the title, of second tutorial. Second tutorial. I give the title of my web page. Okay, in the title tag you write the or type your title here. After that I close the head tag. Okay, open title, open head, close head, and after that finally the part where you can write your content and where you can drop your content, images, file, extensions, texts, videos, documents, and anything you can add in your website, elements, etc. You can write here in the body tag. Okay, if I start this, open with live server, so you can see here there is no content on my web page, but you can say what is this, how there is no content on web page? There are many content on this editor. Because of this the tags is not shown on the web browser, only your content is shown. This is title, and inside second tutorial and title close. Now you can see here now you can see here this. You can see here on the head in the title second tutorial there are many sections on the one web page. This is body, this is head, and on the head this is title second tutorial. Okay, now This is your body, and today I tell about what is tag and what is attribute. First of all, I tell about what is tag. This is a body tag. Okay, these all tag are necessary to build your web page. Okay, and these are tags which depends upon your need. When you need, so you use it, else there is no effect on your web page. But these tags are very effective on your web page. For example, I want to give a heading here, so I write for h1. Now you can see what is h1, h2, h3. There are 6 heading in the HTML language. So I type here h1, after that h2, enter it, h3, enter it, h4, enter it, h5, enter it, and after that h6. Okay, there are 6 heading size in HTML. If I write h7, so it not affect on my heading or my text. Okay, I write in f1, second tut means tutorial. Okay, second tutorial. I copy this, paste in this, paste in this, paste on this tag, paste on this tag. Okay, now I save it and check on the live server. Now you can see this is the h1, the major heading in the HTML, and this is second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth is a very small heading in the HTML. So this is the type of heading. Okay, and now you can see the tag. What is tag? Tag is the format, like a format. This is the format of h1, so it make my text the heading of size h1. Okay, now if I want to change my body color, this is. Now first of all I tell about HTML, CSS and the Java. HTML is a hypertext markup language which is used only for taking content in your web page, not a styling, not a beautifying. There is no concept of beautifying in the HTML or styling in HTML. We will style in the CSS. Make sure you watch regularly this course and join with our group. The WhatsApp group link is in description. Make sure you click on it and join the group. We can regularly regularly send the topics, send the class, and you can discuss about the what will be happening in the HTML and your problem, anything. I will answer you quickly. I will answer you. You can see my quickly response in the WhatsApp group. So after HTML we will be going to CSS, but in the HTML we only take a content on web page. I see the web page is ugly, looking very ugly, but tolerance, after some time I am coming with the CSS, so we will style our web page. Now this is tag. And what is attribute? Attribute, you can see here the body color is white. Okay, now in this tag, first of all you can write the content in the between the opening tag and closing tag. This is your content. Okay, this is your content. You can write the content between the opening and closing tag, but attribute is written in the opening tag, but in the braces. These are braces, less than and greater than. You can write here by spacing. Press one time space and type for example I want to change the background color, so bg color, this is property of color, bg color equal to red, bg color equal to silver, bg color equal to silver, and save it. Now you can see here the color of background of body is coming silver, but you can see here in the background color, the background color text is written in the red. Background attribute is written in the red color. Why? Because these all are disabled, or these tags are ended in the HTML. It gives you the meaning, but it not work like a professionally. You can change the color, style, format, font, frame size, padding, margin, everything in the CSS, not in the HTML. So basically I tell about the attribute. For example, class is an attribute. I set the class. This is body, this is body. I set the class of this body tag. How can I identify my this body tag? For example, I type to h1 tag. Okay, second tutorial, and save it. Now you can see that these are two h1 tag of the same size, because h1 is preset size in the web browser, or these are meanings tag. Okay, now you can see here there are two tag of HTML. How can I identify which tag is used for whether purpose? Okay, now for that I type the attribute of class, and may I write first h means first heading. This is my first. Now I can identify, and in the Java or in the CSS, this is my first heading by writing a class of this tag. Okay, I save it. Yes, so this is the tag and attribute. I hope you will satisfy by this, and you are understanding this headings tag and tags and attribute. After that I will explaining about the next class. The next class is very large, not a very large, but medium timing. You can see on those class the main tag in used HTML. For example, image tag, and paragraph tags, and bold and italic, and some other thing. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Allah Hafiz.